Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here is how to make an easy origami paper watch. You need materials like a square sheet of paper or regular colored paper, scissors that is optional for trimming, makers or pen for decorations. You need steps like prepare the paper, take a square piece of paper if you are using a rectangular piece of paper. Cut it into a square. Fold the square paper in half lengthwise. Unfold it to create a eraser or create down the center. Fold the top and bottom edges of the paper toward the center creases you made in step 2. This will create a thinner strip of paper. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. Cut a small square or circle from the different colored paper to represent the watch face. Attach these to shape the middle of your folded band using the glue. Use markers or pens to draw the hands of the watch on the face and any numbers or designs you would like. Then wrap the paper watch around your wrist and adjust it for the size. Use glue or tape to secure the ends or cut into under the folds for the removable strap. You can decorate, that is optional. You can add extra decorations like glitter, stickers or additional colors to make your watch stand out. So here's your paper watch is